Oh, let's get going. Part 2. Again, we're at Raymond Terrace. And this is where the Williams River meets the Hunter River. And this is the local boat ramp, where the water has risen somewhat and breached, starting to come into the car park. Now this is very minor at this stage. There are minor warnings for this area.
There are minor what?
More warnings, but I'm not coming out the footpath as well in parts. So we'll keep our eye on this. And as more water comes down from the western area, this entire car park, right up to the exit ramp over there, will become inundated with water.
And guys, be aware, if you come here, do not go in the water if you have shoes like me, because when I tried to go in there, or when I went there, I got water in my shoes because they have little whips in them. So yeah, don't go in water if they have whips in them.
Or wear waterproof shoes, eh? Or
yeah,
boots.
wear waterproof shoes, not.
So that'll do us for now. We'll monitor this as the weather comes down, or I should say as the water comes down. I believe there's more rain to come. So this is today, and I guarantee that if we get a lot more water as what they're projecting, it'll be a whole different look when we look at it next. Cheers from us.